Hi, I'm Dr. Arshnoor from Dr. Arshnoor's IELTS Institute. In the series of the cue cards from May to August 22, today's cue card is very interesting cue card, that is talk about someone's love marriage. Whose story it is, when and how you learnt about it, how do you feel about it. I have prepared a sample answer for you. Let's start with this. This is a love marriage story of an adorable couple, Bikram and Anjali, living in our neighborhood. I consider their love marriage to be admirable because both of them gave real meaning to their love. I believe that a great marriage is not the union of two perfect people. Rather, it is to respect and love the imperfections of your soulmate that makes it glorified. Now, here the best part was the trust, regard and respect Anjali showed for this relationship. Despite of Bikram's accident and some imperfections, she truly loved his soulmate, not his body. Actually, Bikram met with an accident when he was studying in 10th standard. Owing to that, he remained in coma for almost 2 months. He had lost his memory. When came to consciousness, it took 3 years for him to recover. But the effect of that accident was still visible in the form of his right-sided weakness of upper and lower limbs. His gait was affected by this accident and his limbs and was unable to use the right hand properly. It was really shocking for us when we came to know that a Bengali girl is dying to marry Bikram, who was studying along with him in an IT college in Bangalore. As Bikram went to Bangalore to attain his higher qualification, Bikram's parents did not have any objection for this marriage, whereas girl's parents did not agree, mainly due to his health issues and also difference in the culture. Both Bikram and Anjali were determined to get married. Bikram otherwise was an amazing boy with pleasant personality. He was gentle, soft-spoken, amiable and down-to-earth person. Above all, he was an author and a creative person. Surely Anjali would have impressed by his loving personality. Both the families had a meeting and at last they had to bend before the children's wish. The wedding date was fixed and it was decided that the marriage will be ceremonized according to both cultures. This means Punjabi and Bengali culture. We Punjabis were curious to see this unique marriage as this was taking place in Punjab. On the day of wedding, firstly, the bride's Bengali culture rituals were performed and then it was Punjabi's customs which took place. At last, the couple was tied in the sacred wedlock. There were some interesting incidents that took place in this wedding. I'm going to share that also. Actually, Bengalis, they have some special feelings for fish, or there is some special importance of fish in their ceremonies. And here in this marriage, Bengalis gave much importance to this fish in all these ceremonies. This was amazing for Punjabis, and there was a ceremony where bride's family sent a big fish to groom's side to decorate it for the next day's wedding customs. So there were some rituals to be performed on that. The groom's friend feasted on this because they were not aware of this and they just thought that the Bengali people have sent this special fish for them to eat. It was next day that it was revealed that the special ritual that was to be performed on that fish, then everyone laughed by hearing the story of the fish. At last, the special wedding took place in a delightful manner. After marriage, Anjali won the hearts of everyone by her simplicity, politeness, intelligence, cooperation, and graciousness. She usually made her surroundings graceful by her witty and humorous nature. Both Bikram and Anjali are living happily now and respecting each other and their cultures also. They are parents of two cute kids and have become an epitome for love marriage. Now let's have a look on the vocabulary I've used in this cue card. First is adorable, means lovable. Admirable means praiseworthy. Amiable, friendly, determined, fully committed. Curious, eager, sacred, pious. Wedlock, marriage. Feasted, party. Delightful, pleasant. Epitome, a typical example. Hope you like this video. Please press the bell icon, subscribe our channel to get the latest updates on our channel. Like the video and share it to your friends and loved ones. Stay connected. See you with next video.